Alright everybody, well this is the Harley Davidson Sundowner heated and cooled seat on a 2023 Street Glide. Well yeah, I got the bra. I'll put the bra on there too, because it seems like Harley likes to design seats that rub the paint off your gas tank, you know. But anywho, I guess that's another video. But yeah, this is the heated and cooled seat. As you can see, it's got the heated and cooled knobs. The knobs do, as you turn it up, they do adjust the amount of heat that goes to the seat. I tried it, put it on the first knob, then I slowly increased it. And as I was riding, the temperature was increasing on the seat. The cooling feature, not too worried about it, because all it does is basically, I live in South Alabama, man, so it gets freaking 100 degrees. I don't know how much that's going to work. But basically, the cooling feature, all that does is pretty much just circulate air under the seat, and there's some holes under the seat in the bucket, and it just pulls air, and there's a fan like right here, and it kind of blows it out, and then there's some holes, I believe, like under this side or this side, whatever, and there's a fan for the passenger that blows air. So I guess I have to wait the next summer to see how that goes. See if it keeps my butt from sweating or something. I don't know. But yeah, I made another video of this. You can check it out on my channel. Basically when I did the install, and it shows pictures of underneath this seat. So I'm not going to go into like pulling this off out here. So if you want to check out what the seat looks like underneath, check out my other video. Seating position, I feel like it's the same as the stock for what do you call it, reaching the handlebars. It does raise me up a little bit. I wear a full face helmet. Of course, the whole wind flow thing does change, but I wear a full face helmet, like I said, so it doesn't really, I'm not getting buffeted. I'm just getting air noise going around my helmet. So I don't know. I might see about getting a windshield. I don't know if I'm going with like a Freedom Shield, or I don't know if I like the clocks work. It's all that curvy stuff. I think the Freedom one looks kind of all right. So I might do all the measurements and see about ordering one of them and try it out. But yeah, the bra, that was easy. I got an install video for that if you want to check that out. I think it was like $40 or something. But it seems to do an all right job. But yeah, the seat, a little bit more support here. I can feel it. And the seat does kind of cup you a little bit. And of course, it does spread you out a little bit. But listen, I'm 5'8". I got a 30-inch inseam. And I can put my feet on the ground. So it's not that bad. Of course, a lot of padding in the back for your passenger. I'm sure he, she, or whatever will like it. This picture from the other side. I know people say, hey, this is a badge. This is just rubber, man. This is like no metal badge from Harley Davidson or something. But anywho, yeah, I guess I'll sit on it, and then you can see how my feet are. And then this is just an uneven parking lot. So let me hop on. I don't know if you can see my feet. That's my left foot. That's my right foot. They're both flat-footed on the ground. So if you have a 30-inch inseam, you can touch both feet on the ground. There's so many damn different stories about this on the internet. You can touch, or you can't touch. You can't do this, can't do that. Oh, what happened there, man? Boom. But yeah, seating position, it brings you up a little bit higher, of course, maybe a ½ inch. Yeah, 3/4 of an inch, but it's not unmanageable, So I don't want, people to think like, hey, if you're 30, what the hell is that, man? Some rocks. damn rocks or something under there. But anyway, but it does, I guess you're not sitting like, you know, Sons of Anarchy style in this, you know. You're sitting, I mean, it does give you a better position on the seat, I mean on the bike. I feel like, you know, I do have a more positive control of the bike. It's more comfortable in the hips. It doesn't feel like my hip, you know, where my leg and hip are, it's not bent as much, so it feels a little bit more comfortable that way. Like I said, the heating elements and everything, it works good, man. It heats up quick. And on my install video, I mean, it shows me I'm sitting on the bike and I'm sitting there talking about, like, okay, yep, it's heating up, yep. And sure enough, man, it only takes about 2 or 3 minutes and it's heating up. But hey, I mean, that's just a quick video about the seat. I mean, if you have any questions, you can hit me up. I don't mind answering, you know, replying to things on YouTube. I didn't see many videos on the Sundowner heated and cooled. I seen 1 or 2 people about they had videos about for the hammock. And I think, man, honestly, yeah, there wasn't too much about the Sundowner. I think it was just like a Harley Davidson video. The one that has the blonde-haired lady on with the tattoos. I mean, I think that was the only one that really talked about it. You will need that little $35 accessory cable, so go ahead and get that when you order the seat. I made a video on how to do that also, and it's pretty simple. I mean, almost any videos I make are pretty simple, so the average guy out in his garage with a pair of sandals on can and some basic tools, man, can do it. Whenever I do make a video, I try to keep it stupid simple, or simple stupid, whatever. But anywho, well, y'all ride safe, be careful, and have a good one. Later.